Hi friends, today I am talking about farm animals and pet animals. We must be care to animals. And some animals keep us pet animals. And pet animals are dogs, cats, parrots, and fish and birds. And farm animals are cow and horse and goat and hen and duck. And farm animals help us so many ways. It's milk and eggs and meat. And farm animals need shelter and water and food and sunlight and hair. Farm animals need big place. If you like my video, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.